Grow a Garden Update. Welcome to the latest update on Grow a Garden, your go-to source for all things gardening. In this season, we're seeing exciting growth and new features designed to help both beginners and experienced gardeners succeed. First, new plant varieties have been added, including heat-tolerant tomatoes, colorful peppers, and fast-growing herbs that thrive in small spaces. We've improved the soil mix recommendations, focusing on organic, sustainable ingredients to boost plant health naturally. Watering and irrigation tips have been updated to help conserve water while keeping your plants happy, including the best use of drip irrigation and rainwater harvesting, making it simpler to plan your garden month by month according to your climate. Plus, there are new pest and disease control guides with organic solutions that protect your plants without harmful chemicals. Whether you're growing in pots, raised beds, or a full backyard garden, Grow a Garden keeps evolving to support your green thumb. Stay tuned for more updates, seasonal tips, and success stories. Happy gardening!